In today's video, we'll learn about bookmarks and buttons in Power BI. We will how we can save different filters and visibility of visuals in bookmarks and make these bookmarks usable through buttons for the end users. Click on the View tab and choose Bookmarks and Selection. In the Selection pane, we can see all the elements of our report. We can hide or make visible to any of the selected visuals. Currently we have two charts on our canvas: a column chart and a line chart. Let's rename these visuals by double-clicking on it. In the Bookmarks pane, we can save different state of filters, visibility of visuals and drillings. All saved bookmarks can be found here. Now, click on the Add button to create a new bookmark. Double-click on it and rename it as Column Chart. Create another bookmark and rename it as Line Chart. Now we will assign different states of our visuals in these bookmarks. Let's hide the line chart from the selection pane. On this state, we can see that only the column chart is visible and line chart is hidden. Select both the visuals. Click on the Option button of Column Chart bookmark. Choose Selected Visuals and click on Update. We save the current scenario in this bookmark. Similarly, hide the column chart and unhide the line chart. On this state, only the line chart is visible. Click here on the Option button, choose Selected Visuals, and then choose Update. The current state is saved on the line chart bookmark. Now, if we click on the column chart, only the column chart will be visible and the line chart will be hidden. And if we click on the line chart, only the line chart will be visible and the column chart will be hidden. In this way, we can save visibility state of visuals in the bookmarks. Let's use bookmarks in some other ways. Click on the line chart. From the X-axis, choose the Date Hierarchy option. Close the day level. Now, we have the X-axis timeline in 3 levels: year, quarter, and month. Add a new bookmark. Rename it as Annual. Choose Selected Visual here, and then click on Update. Right-click on the line chart and then click Expand to Next Level. Now the line chart is showing trends, quarterly. Add another bookmark and rename it as Quarter. Go to Options, choose Selected Visuals, and then Update. The current state of the line chart, which is quarterly trend, is saved in this bookmark. Again, right-click on the line chart, expand to the next level. The line chart is showing monthly trends. Add the third bookmark, rename it as Month. Go to the Options, Selected Visuals, and then Update. Here are our 3 bookmarks that will allow us to go to different levels of analysis for sales. If we choose the Annual bookmark, the line chart will show trend in sales over each years. If we click the quarter bookmark, the chart will show trend in sales by quarters of each year. Similarly, if we click the month bookmark, the chart will show monthly trend in sales. Buttons in Power BI act as interactive elements that can trigger actions such as navigating between pages, filtering data, or launching external links. Go to the Insert tab and choose Buttons. Select the blank button. Go to the Format button option and activate the Action feature. Set the action type as Bookmark. And from the Bookmark drop-down menu, choose the Annual Bookmark. From the Style option, provide a text on the button. Similarly, create 2 other buttons. Again, from the Action feature, assign Quarterly Bookmark for 1 button. And the Monthly Bookmark for another button. Rename them just like the previous one. Now, if we click in this buttons, it will act like the assigned bookmarks. We can also create a button to trigger external links. Set the action type as Web URL. In the Web URL box, I am pasting my YouTube channel link. You can provide your own web link. Now, if I click on this button, the channel will open in the browser. We can also create buttons to navigate pages. From the destination drop-down, set the page number that you want to go through this button. Similar to this, there are many other buttons to make your report more interactive. With Q&A button, we can let the report user to use the Q&A feature of Power BI. You can also stylize the button from the Style option, like changing the font style, button color, borders and shadows. Stay connected with us for more tutorials on Power BI to develop your data visualization skills. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching.